Don Pitok mga idol sa kanilang live at panoorin natin kung gaano nga ba kalupit ang ating idol na mag-asawa na Don Pitok. Let's go mga idol. Don't forget to follow mga idol, Don Pitok.
I know you're everything that I'm looking for.
Wow.
I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more.
So yeah.
To lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. Come on, everybody, sing.
If
Let's go.
sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
Let's go.
I know it's gonna be
It's gonna be.
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
Galing.
If I ever
Sana all.
Dami-dami tao.
I guess I'm scared of flying. It's such a long way down. Any day,
Tuwang-tuwa yung mga
just
tao.
trust in me. I'm sure I'll come around.
and I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your moments to feel I'm ready now to try.
Oh, lakasan nyo. Everybody sing.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
It's gonna be.
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'll be a fool to ever think. Hindi, hagis ko.
you're the best thing
Alam mo dapat.
when I know I gotta take it slow.
Grabe! Don Pitok mga idol. Don't forget to follow sa kanilang Facebook page mga idol. 3.1 million.
It's
Grabe.
gonna be
It's gonna be.
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Grabe.
if I ever fall in love again.
Palakpakan, may kasamang iyawan. Kaya hagis ang t-shirt. Wala, grabe kusog kayo mag-
Yun po mga idol, narinig po natin ang Don Pitok Band na talagang yung itong mag-asawa na itong mga idol. Talagang malupit sa malupit. If ever fall in love again sa Don Pitok. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel, Don Pitok mga idol, at sa kanilang Facebook feeds, Don Pitok din mga idol. Grabe! Amazing! Kung i-rate ko po kanilang performance, nasa mga 9 mga idol. Ang ganda. So, nakarate lang po sila mga idol ng 3.1 million na kanilang views sa 2 days mga idol. Grabe! Amazing! So, kayo dyan mga idol, anong masasabi nyo sa kanilang performance, sa kanilang cover song ng If Ever Fall in Love Again by Ken Roger? No? At please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan. So, yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Huwag niyong kalimutan. I-follow ang kanilang Facebook page. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.